Hey everyone, it's Marek here from stratever.com and welcome to my Back to the Profits review. Back to the Profits review is a product created by Jesse Joseph, and right now we are here on the sales page, as you can see, and you can have a quick look on this page by yourself. Is nice and short sales page. And before we jump into the members area, let's have a look on my bonus page, where I can show you what is this product all about and what bonuses I have prepared for you. So right now here we are on my bonus page, and I have prepared some bonuses for you, where bonus number 1 is a hack access the Fuego breakout. It is valid for first 12 hours only. You will get access to the Fuego breakout product. Bonus number 2 is 3 traffic sources to use with Back to the Profits. It's another hack. It's created by John Armstrong, and he will show you how to gain some traffic for use with the Back to the Profits product. Now we have a bonus number 3, which is 4 ways how to get instant design inspiration. Bonus number 4 is 4 ways how to monetize your Back to the Profits traffic. And bonus number 5, there will be all vendor bonuses. So that's all bonuses here. And what is this product all about? Back to the Profits is a membership site, basically, with access to the 15 high quality step-by-step training videos on creating your own WordPress plugins. Just a few months back they launched a simple WordPress plugin which generated over $3,000. Now what about the prices here? The front end of this product cost $12.97 at the launch, where you can access the powerful Back to the Profit software and training models. Then we have upsell number 1, which is advanced pro version for $47.97 with the downsell option for $37. There you can find advanced high quality video training on how to get professionally developed software, high quality video training on how to make thousands of dollars launching your software, high quality video training on building a huge buyer's email list, high quality on getting affiliates to send you free traffic, an exclusive interview with 7-figure vendor and affiliate. I will talk about that later in the members area. An exclusive interview, the exact script and communication we use, and to make sure your product is developed exactly how you want it. All this is available for the first time ever done for a complete agency Rise to Video Profit site Pro WordPress plugin. And there is also case study on how they turn $100 into $3,000 on their first ever launch. So I recommend to get this upsell for the downsell option of $37. It's really no brainer. Upsell number 2, that's the agency version for $197 with the downsell option for $97, which is also a great deal. There you will get complete agency rights to the Back to the Profits, and they let people sell this evergreen platform as their own. Upsell number 3 then is launch for almost $1,000 with the discount of $100 for downsell option. They will personally design the graphics used on your launch, and they will work together with you to develop a final product you will be able to launch right out of the gate. They will work one-on-one to make your launch a success. So it's really cool option how you can jump straight into this product creation, where they will help you create your own plugin and also launch it with pretty guaranteed success. There are some key benefits you may be interested in getting with this product. This product is 100% newbie friendly. There's no experience or skills required. You can build a huge email list using this product, and you can create passive income, and there's endless profit potentials. And as you can with this knowledge, you can create as many WordPress plugins in the future as you want, and you will get really very good skill, basically, I could say. Now let's have a look. Let's have a look into the members area, what we have there. So here we have a couple of sections. Right in the first section is the welcome to members area. It's a welcome video, 4 minutes welcome video. There we have some training on your mindset, so how you should set up your mindset to be prepared for working in this environment, and to prepare your mindset for success. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. The mind is a powerful tool. Eliminate the mindset, your old mindset. Once your mindset changes, everything on the outside will change with it. Always grow, always challenge yourself, and keep learning. Learning mindset is everything. So it's 9-minute video, and they will talk about this psychological thing. Another video here is prepare for productivity. Is another almost 20 minutes video about focus on being productive instead of busy. Then we have here, in this section, there's interview with John Armstrong, and John Armstrong is one of the best affiliates on Warrior Plus, and does the really useful interview, and you can use it with joy. I just can't open it somehow. There is it. So you can read about here. There's John Armstrong in interview. You can upgrade to Pro here in this section, and it's a supper column also here. Now into main training, digital product creation. They will teach you here with these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 parts about the creation of your product. So also short introduction, 7 minutes long video about why to choose this type of business, what types of products you can create. This is video about creating and how to choose your type of product, how to work with it, or how to create it using a developer. Obviously you are not software programmer, so you will have to use a developer. 6-figure cheat sheet, selling the product funnel, JV page, sales page, listing for launch day, and wrap up, and also bonus, which is 7 minutes sales machine bonus for you. So that's I think that's really cool product, and there is a lot of golden nuggets in it, and you can gain some great skill with this product. So I highly recommend to get it and jump into it, and let's make some WordPress plugins and sell it on the marketplace and make some money. So if you're interested in this great product, just click one of these yellow buttons here, get it along with all of these bonuses, and just enjoy, and I'm sure you'll be happy with it. So thank you very much for watching this review, and I wish you good luck, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.